Have you ever wanted to make money online? Imagine turning your passion into a profitable venture. Maybe you dream of working from home, enjoying the flexibility and comfort it offers. Perhaps you want to be your own boss, setting your own hours and making decisions that matter to you. Affiliate marketing could be the answer. It's a powerful way to generate income. It's a simple way to earn money by recommending products you love and trust to others. This guide is all about cold email affiliate marketing, a strategy that can be highly effective. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. With the right approach, anyone can do it. We'll break it down into easy steps, making the process straightforward and manageable. By the end, you'll know how to start earning commissions and build a sustainable income stream. Let's get started. Imagine being a salesperson, but without the pressure. In affiliate marketing, you're like a friendly guide. You recommend products you like to people who might want them. If they buy, you get a commission. Think of it like recommending a restaurant to a friend. If your friend enjoys the meal, you get the satisfaction of a good recommendation. In affiliate marketing, that satisfaction comes with a little extra cash. Cold email is simply emailing someone you don't know, but it's important to be personable. Imagine receiving a letter addressed to "Dear Homeowner." You'd probably toss it. Instead, take the time to get to know your audience. Find out what they like and need, then write your emails like you're talking to a friend. Be helpful and genuine. Nobody likes a pushy salesperson. Section 4. Getting started with cold email affiliate marketing. Ready to jump in? This is an exciting journey that can open up new opportunities for you. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to mastering cold email affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a good product you believe in. This is crucial because your genuine enthusiasm will shine through in your emails. Think about things you use and enjoy. Your personal experience with the product will make your recommendation more authentic and trustworthy. Do you love a certain coffee brand? Maybe it's something you can't start your day without. Is there a software that makes your life easier? Consider how it has improved your productivity or solved a problem for you. Choose products you can genuinely recommend. Your sincerity will resonate with your audience and build trust. Step 2. Find people who might be interested. Identifying your target audience is key to successful marketing. Think about who would benefit from the product. Consider their needs, preferences, and pain points. Where do they hang out online? Knowing where your audience spends their time will help you reach them more effectively. Look for forums, groups, or websites related to the product. Engage with these communities to understand their interests and concerns. Step 3. Write a simple, friendly email. Your email should be personal and approachable, not overly salesy. Introduce yourself and explain why you're reaching out. Be clear and concise about your intentions. Share your experience with the product and how it helped you. Personal stories can be very compelling and relatable. Include your affiliate link so they can learn more. Make it easy for them to find more information and make a purchase. Step 4. Send emails and follow up after a week. Consistency is key in building relationships and trust. Don't be discouraged if you don't get immediate responses. Patience and persistence are essential in affiliate marketing. Wait a week and send a friendly follow-up email. A gentle reminder can often prompt a response. Remember, building relationships takes time. Stay positive and keep nurturing your connections for long-term success. Section 5. Steering clear of the spam folder. Nobody likes spam. It's annoying, clutters your inbox, and often contains harmful content. Here's how to avoid having your emails end up in the junk folder, and ensure they reach your intended audience effectively. First, use a professional email address. This builds trust and credibility with your recipients. Your name at email.com looks much better than cooldude123 at email.com. It shows you're serious and professional. Next, personalize your emails. Address your recipient by name and mention something relevant to their interests. This makes your email feel more genuine and less like a mass message. Avoid using all caps or excessive exclamation points. These can trigger spam filters and make your email look unprofessional. It makes you look like you're shouting. Instead, focus on clear and concise communication. Provide value in your emails. Share helpful information or tips related to the product you're promoting. This not only engages your audience but also builds trust. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of landing in the inbox and getting your emails read. Remember, a well-crafted email can make all the difference in your communication strategy. Section 6. Building relationships for success. Cold email affiliate marketing is more than just sending emails, it's about building relationships with potential customers. Be helpful, be genuine, and offer value. Remember, success takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep learning, keep improving, and you'll be well on your way to earning commissions and achieving your online business goals.